Which type of people they should, in fact, consider doing this workshop? Is this workshop specifically designed for people like trainers, coaches, HR professionals?
Absolutely not, if I can share. I think, first of all, I really want to share from the bottom of my heart, it is not about professionals, it's about human beings. Believe me, it's about human beings. They must know how does the mind work, how to make most of the mind, program themselves and bring success in their life. Or maybe the only little limitation would be the age. So I usually do not take somebody who is below 16, 17 years of age. That's the only criteria. Otherwise, it's absolutely, everybody is absolutely equally entitled to participate into learning this.
Yeah, because we're talking about life skills. So
Right.
everybody would need those skills.
Yeah, but when it comes to professionals, like you said, about HRs or trainers and coaches, they must do this. They must learn this. In fact, they must master NLP because it is these people with their communication, they are bringing results into people in masses. So learning NLP is like a master tool in their already existing toolkit that they must have.
So even it could be managers or entrepreneurs or senior leaders, because they are the one who are influencing a lot of people.
That's right. So NLP, it's about influencing yourself to be able to get what you want in life and influencing others. So when these people who are dealing with others, they're dealing with the group, they're dealing with masses, even politicians, leaders, they must learn this because it's about influencing. It's about impact. If they only have this kind of an impact, they are bringing changes in people. So that's what we have.